Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're watching my channel for the first time, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So today's video is going to be a full review on Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now Modern Renaissance is actually an eyeshadow palette and it contains 14 shades in total, and it comes with a dual-ended brush. This one is more of a blending kind and this one is more for packing. So if you guys don't know about Modern Renaissance, then it was, and it still is actually, a very hyped eyeshadow palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Anastasia Beverly Hills is actually quite famous for their eyebrow products. They have like eyebrow pomades and pencils and their clear gel. This palette, it came around a year back and it was very tough to get your hands on this palette. I was trying to get it from beautybay.com, but it was always sold out on Beauty Bay. I was really tempted to try this palette, as this palette has a beautiful, you guys can see, this palette has like beautiful berry shades. It has some warm tones and some cool tone browns in it. And I am more of a warm brown kind of a girl, and with some berry shades. I like my berries, I like my browns, you guys know. So before we go into swatching the colors, the shades that they have in this palette, let's just talk about the packaging. It comes in a velvety kind of a packaging, which is actually very Renaissance to me. And it has a dusky mauve kind of a color to it. As you open the palette, there is a nice big mirror to it. So this is the mirror to it, and the mirror is actually very clear and very clear. I can see my fine lines and my makeup, which is going bad. And it contains 14 shades. So I will be doing a finger and a brush swatch for you, so that I can tell you about every shade and you guys can get an idea about every shade. So I will be starting from the top row first, and then we'll go in the bottom row. The first shade is Tempera. Some satin finish to it. This is the finger swatch. The way the eyeshadows, they feel very soft to touch. And this is the brush swatch. So you guys can see, this one is my finger, and I have like dipped my finger and this brush once in this palette, in this eyeshadow. So this is the finger swatch and this is the brush swatch. So you guys can see that with brush, it does need a bit of a build up. Let's just build it up and see. So with brush, it does need a bit of a build up, but otherwise this is the brush swatch and this is the finger swatch, and it is more of a satiny kind of a shade, off-white satiny kind of a shade, and this can be beautiful all over your lid with a black outer corner, or maybe on your eyebrow bone, or maybe in the inner corner. This will look very pretty. The next shade is Golden Ochre. This is the finger swatch. Okay, so the pigment in Golden Ochre is actually very good. So the next shade, this shade is called Vermeer, and this is like a very light pinky shade. This is Vermeer. This is very satiny and very beautiful shade. Now this palette does have a bit of a fallout, but that's okay. Until they are like blending nicely on the eyes, I don't care about the fallout. Let's swatch this Beyond Fresco. I am totally killing their names, but that's okay. This is a mauve pink kind of a shade, and it is a matte shade. This is the brush swatch. So this is the finger swatch and this is the brush swatch. So the next shade is Antique Bronze, and this is the finger swatch for it. And I guess it is beautifully pigmented. You guys can see there is like almost no difference between these two swatches. It is a beautiful pinky brown shade. Next shade is this Love Letter, this beautiful berry shade. Oh my god, this is such, I'm loving it already. So this is the shade Love Letter, and it is very nicely, beautifully pigmented. This is the brush swatch. Oh my god. I love these kind of shades. So the last shade in this line is this, this one, is this dark brown called Cypress Umber. This is the finger swatch for it. It is a matte shade again. And it is a very cool brown. Yes, it is. All of these eyeshadows are like almost equally pigmented. When I swatch it with my finger or with my brush, these are almost equally pigmented. I have no complaints about pigmentation for these eyeshadows. These are like very beautiful. Okay, so I've cleaned my hand again so that I can give you the reviews, the swatches of the next line. So the first shade in the next line is this Raw Sienna. Let's just do a finger swatch first. And this is a matte shade, so it can be easily used in your... Can't even see this shade on my hand. It is like almost my skin color. Oh. So with brush it comes out nice. With brush it comes out a bit darker than it comes out with my finger. So the next shade is this Burnt Orange. And it is again a very beautiful brown. It is matte. It has almost equal pigmentation. Beautiful, can be easily used in your skin, in your crease. And the eyeshadows are all over my pants. Next shade is Primavera, and it is a very beautiful golden shade, golden shimmery shade. Wow. This shade is everything. It will look so nice on the eyes. Beautiful. This is the finger swatch. It is more of a champagne kind of a shade, and it will look so pretty on the eyes, like, or just on the center of the lid and with some dark inner and outer corners. This will look so pretty. The next shade is Red Ochre, and it is a very beautiful reddish brown kind of a color. And it is matte. Let's do a brush swatch for it. So this is the shade Red Ochre. The next shade is Venetian Red, and it is very similar to the Love Letter, but I guess this is in a shimmery finish. This one is not as pigmented as the Love Letter one, I would have to say this. The Love Letter one was very nicely pigmented and it came very nice in one swatch, but this one is not as pigmented as the Love Letter one. This is with a brush swatch. Yeah, again with the brush swatch. This shade is like, I guess, till now this is like the least pigmented shade of all, but again, even with least pigmentation, this is very beautiful. The second last shade is Warm Taupe, and it is kind of like a grayish brown shade, and this is again a matte shade, so it can be used in your crease easily. And I'm running out of battery. Let's just swatch this last shade, Real Gar. Oh, this is so nicely pigmented. I love this one. Let's do a brush swatch quickly. So this is again a matte shade. These are all of the shades in the last line. So these, you guys, are all the swatches from the Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette. There are total 14 shades in it, and this palette, it retails for $42. Okay, let's just count the cons and the pros for it. The pros for it, it has 14 shades in it, and the color scheme is very nice. Like, they have cool tones, they have warm tones, they have a little cranberries, like berry shades in it. So I really like the color scheme in it. If you are that kind of a girl who like browns and berries, so obviously you will like this palette. The eyeshadows itself, their quality, they are very creamy and very soft to touch. I didn't come across a single eyeshadow which was rough or hard or which was not easy to blend, I guess. All the shadows were very nicely pigmented and very soft. So the quality of the eyeshadows is very high. The only con that I see in this eyeshadow palette is that the powders itself, like, there's a lot of kickoff in it, and I would suggest to do your eyes first and after that complete your face. But that is like not a very huge con for me, as I really don't mind the kickoff unless the powders are very nicely pigmented and are easy to blend. I really don't mind the kickoff. This, you guys, is my review on Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette, and I will be creating some looks and I will let you guys know how the colors they blend into each other and how long do they stay. And that is it for this video. I hope that you guys like this video, and if you guys like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel down below. That would mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.